If sharing your location isn't working on your iPhone, here's how to fix it. Whether you're using the Messages app or the Find My app, you might notice the Share My Location option is grayed out or unavailable. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. 1. Enable location services. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap Privacy and Security. At the top, select Location Services and make sure it's turned on. After that, scroll down and find the Find My app. Tap on it and check the following. Set Allow location access to while using the app. Enable precise location. Then scroll to the bottom of the Location Services page and tap System Services. Look for Find My iPhone and ensure it's turned on. This allows the system to use precise location for sharing with others. 2. Check content and privacy restrictions. Go back to the Settings menu and select Screen Time. Scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this setting is enabled, look for Location Services and ensure it's not restricted or turned off. If necessary, disable content and privacy restrictions entirely. 3. Reset location and privacy settings. If the problem persists, go back to Settings, tap General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then select Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your passcode to confirm. This will restore your location and privacy settings to factory defaults, which can often resolve the issue. 4. Restart your iPhone. If none of these steps work, go back to the main Settings menu, scroll down, and tap Shut Down. Restarting your iPhone can clear out temporary bugs or glitches, especially if your device has been running for a long time without a reboot. After completing these steps, you should be able to share your location using the Find My app or Messages. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks.